must look like trash. It's okay. It is okay. Okay. So I know I look like trash. This video I don't want to wear makeup in because I'm going to be doing Lash Couture DIY faux lash extensions, and I'm excited about it actually. I know my sister has done lash extensions before. I don't know if it was this specific one, but we're gonna try it. We're gonna see how it works. We're gonna see if it works, we're gonna see how I look at the end. So you get 50 clusters. That's a weird word. 50 of these little clusters right here. You get the little glue pockets on the side, which is very helpful. You get the tweezers and the adhesive. So I'm excited. I'm just gonna hop right into it. I'm not even gonna talk about much. How to apply. Using tweezers, gently grip the band of one cluster and lift off of tray. Dip the band portion into lash adhesive. Do not saturate. Okay, so I guess this is one of those situations where a little goes a long way. Starting from outer corner of eye, place the band as close to the natural lash line as possible. Repeat with additional lash clusters until you achieve desired effect. Okay, my hair is already on it. How? So these are the tweezers you get. I do have a pair of these tweezers actually, which I love them. Oh my gosh, it's like not coming off. Hello? Hello? I don't know where that adhesive went, but I know it definitely just splashed everywhere somewhere. I don't know. I don't really know where it went. So I'm just gonna put a little dollop of this, I guess. Now we gotta pour it. A little, I guess that's enough for now until it dries out. You can barely see it, but it's in that one right there. Use my little mirror right here that I used to do my makeup with. And then I think this part I'm gonna do a time lapse. Okay, I look like a psychopath, but this eye is done. I think it looks good. I hope I did it right. I look crazy. I'm gonna do the other eye and then I'm gonna do my makeup just to kind of pull it all together. And then I'll be back. So these lashes suck. They already came off. I was testing to see if they were fully adhered. Mind you, I let them sit for like 30 minutes before touching them. So I was like doing a little test to see if like they were adhered. So I just, just like touched. I didn't yank on them. Nothing. And they came off one by one. They weren't adhered. They weren't adhered at all. I'm really upset. Wasted my money on lash extensions that don't even... But hey, let's look on the positive side. At least I got some nice tweezers out of it. I'm just upset that these lash extensions did not stay on my freaking lashes. They were a waste of money, and I don't have money to be wasting on lashes that don't work. So, with that all being said, please do not buy these lashes. They don't work. They don't stay on. again, like I said, I wasn't like tugging or like ripping them off. If I were ripping them off, I wouldn't have my real eyelashes left. They don't stay. They don't stay on. Just save your money and just buy the strip lashes, because the strip lashes, for the most part, you can reuse. At least I do. If I'm not supposed to, let me know. I don't know. But like, just buy strip lashes. But yeah, let me know if there's any makeup products or beauty products you want me to test. That most likely won't work. I hope you're all being safe. I hope you're all staying inside and not being stupid. I don't know. I don't know if it's like the same everywhere as it is where I live, but where I live in Pennsylvania, specifically like the Philadelphia area, and we struggling. No, we're not struggling. I think we're all like, we're okay. We're okay. Not great, but okay. Just stay inside. Wash your hands. Don't touch your face, even though I just touched my face, but my hands are clean. I promise you that. I haven't left my house at all today either. Don't touch anyone. Don't breathe on anyone. Don't let anyone breathe on you. Stay 6 feet from people. Practice social distancing. Luckily, I only live with my mom, and we are more than 6 feet away from each other right now, so I think we're all good. Subscribe to my channel. Again, let me know. Let me know if there's any other beauty product, makeup product that you want me to test. And like and subscribe, and I'll see ya later. Oh wait, I need to do an Instagram shout out. My Instagram shout out goes to Christina_register02 on Instagram. Thank you for supporting my makeup and Instagram and YouTube. And please continue to do so. Thank you. Love you guys. Bye.